complains about their care or resident rights, we'll do our best to advocate on their behalf if they choose us if they want us to. Concerns or complaints about their care or resident rights, we'll do our best to advocate on their behalf if they choose us if they want us to help with them.
This is a test of both wind rejection and noise rejection. I have a microphone on the Insta360 camera that's recording this, and I'm using a Sennheiser MD 46 on a Zoom H5 recorder and a Clippy microphone on my Sentrance Mixerface R4R. And the goal is to see how much noise rejection the MD46 provides and whether or not it's noticeable over the lavalier. The camera is not the best microphone. The Sennheiser is geared toward reporters. I use it for interviews in especially noisy places like festivals and fairs, where I interview people who have booths set up to sell various products or promote various issues. And the Sennheiser does an excellent job of rejecting all the noise and echoes you get in a huge hall. So I'm checking here. I live in Waikiki, and it's a place of 24-hour noise. I wear hearing aids, and I'm really getting the wind and noise being picked up by the microphones and the hearing aids. That's the end of this test.